see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Oh, sorry. Go on, give me a look at that steak.
Good afternoon, guys. Bumili siya ng
That
steak.
one as well.
Huh?
Took it all.
Cook it all.
Yeah, we've done 4 there and 1 roll.
Yeah, so sa kanya raw is ramp, sa amin ay scotch. Pero ang lalaki niya. I don't think so Holly will eat it all.
That's on I've already divs it.
So, kakain ng tira ni Holly. So, today is Friday.
I'm getting the chips. I'll be back at 5 with the chips.
With the chips not gonna be cooked, hon.
You've got to chop chop.
Chop, chop, okay. Alright. Ang lalaki nito, binili niya to sa butcher kasi wala na kaming stock na steak. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kalaki. Kailangan to ng boys kasi bukas na ang laro nila sa Interleague. So, lots of protein. And, katapos ko lang mag-shower guys, kaya mayroon tayong nakabalot na buhok dyan. Preheat ko na yung oven. Pero isisir ko muna siya sa skillet na may konting butter. Tapos kuha ko ng thyme sa labas. So, request ni Jan, wala kaming mashed potato tonight. Kasi naubusan na rin ako ng patatas. So, mag-order siya ng chips sa pub. Or sa fish and chips. Kuya, look. Gusto niya. Yes. Ito mas makapal. Malaki at makakapal sila, guys. So, just kapag binili niyo ito sa pub, magkano kaya? Ilang grams kaya ito? Ang bigat eh. Painitin ko na rin yan. Hindi siya kasya dito. Yung kay Jan is ramp. Try lang natin ito. Nilabas ako ng time. Ang aga namin bukas, aalis 6 as in on that 6 o'clock in the morning. Alis na kami ng bahay. Kasi 2 hours papunta dun eh. So yung mga bata kailangan na doon ng 8:30 si Kuya, si Sak 9:30. Yung boys nag-ready na sila. Ni-ready na nila yung mga gamit. O yung kay Sak lang yung nakikita ko ba. Sinabayan na sila kanina. Nakuha na rin ni Kuya yung jumper niya. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo? La 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 la. La la la. Okay, punta tayo dun sa ating. Diba, ang laki nila, oh. Ang bigat. Okay, lagay natin dito. Dito tayo sa labas para kumuha ng time. And tingnan nyo yung aking kalamansi. Gusto na nilang magpapitas. Oh, yellow na sila. Ay, ang lamig. Ika tayo nito. Inuli ko yung kajal, yung kanyang wrap. And after dito, after ko siyang na-shear, ilalagay ko siya sa oven for like 10 to 12 minutes. Depende. Kasi si Kuya gusto niya medium rare. And si John, ganun din. Dati gusto ni John well done. But now, nag-iba na yung ano niya, preference niya. Oh, walang kajal ni boy.
This is the best one.
Huh?
That's the best one.
Ram? I like scotch better than ram.
Oh, looking good.
Yeah.
I think I got the skinniest one.
It's up to what you want daw. Ayan na guys, i-open ko lang ito. Oh. Ayan nyo. So yan, closer look. Bago ko ilagay sa plate. Johnny boy.
Right, right.
Huh? I will eat later. Hinanap niya yung plate ko. This is for you. Which one is yours?
A brown.
Yes. Oh, look at that. Your plate is too small for that. Ah, ito. gonna try to cut this one. Cut yours back. Cut. Look, see if it's ready. Oh, perfect, Con.
Perfect.
Ang ganda. Patingin ba? Share, ha? Good. Yeah, perfect, honey. Very good. I'll try to. Kuya wants like bloody. I'm gonna find Kuya. Oh, this is for TJ. At ang gusto ni Kuya, namumula-mula.
Put on the right.
Yeah, call them.
Okay, put on it.
Yeah, I will. This is suck. My God, I don't even know if I'm... Parang nabubusog na ako. Hindi ko to kayang ubusin.
Say time!
Tea time, kids! Ang perfect, oh. Look at Baba.
This one's mine, mother.
Right. Wash your hands back there.
Yeah, this is yours. This is yours.
That's massive.
Zach, wash your hands, wash your hands.
Yeah, I did.
It did, babe.
Put that back on.
I think this one is closed. Yeah.
Okay, guys. I-continue ko na lang to bukas. Kasi kakain lang naman and ipe-prepare yung mga dadalhin nila. Well, nandun na sa clothing line yung indoor namin yung kaysa. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Nice, no?
So, greasy.
Yes, go, Kuya. Di ganyan.
So small.
You're grown up. Malit na rin yung damit niya. Marami kayong damit dyan. Oh. Oh. Okay, Bama. Wow, nabubusog na. Nabubusog na ako.
No, that was the. I just swallowed the big bit.
Busog na ako, guys.
That was powerful.
Yeah, alright. Kumain, guys. And naisipan ko na mag banana muffins kasi meron akong very ripe ng bananas. So, para may baon kami bukas sa Narracot. Especially yung kids. Nanonood ako ng Chad Kines. Ako hindi nanonood. Nakikinig lang habang ginagawa ko to. Ayan, naglagay pala ako sa gitna ng ganache. Cold ganache. Ayan. Tapos, ilalagay natin ulit ito sa ibabaw. First, naglagay muna ako ng etong mixture ko dyan. Na chocolate. Tapos, sa middle yung ganache. So, ibibake ko na siya. Luto na yung ating chocolate banana muffins. Ready na siyang baunin bukas. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.
Let's try this chocolate banana muffin.
Still hot. Okay.
Freshly baked.
Hot, hot, hot.
Good. Do you want to try some?
No.
Gooey.
Look, so
Soft.
You're
Melts
not-
in your mouth.
careful. No, I don't need that tonight. Tomorrow. So good, son.
Real good.
It's like lava chocolate.
Mm.
You said to Daddy just one bite. That's enough.
Hot and milk.
You have game tomorrow. Come on. That's enough. Hello, you finish it, so.